Hello everyone, this is my homework 1.3. The title is The Electric Pneumatic System on PLC and Test by Fluid SM. It's about A plus B plus B minus A minus. First, let me introduce the background. If we want to finish this homework, we also need 2 double acting cylinder and 2 5x2 impulse valve, and we also need 4 3x2 water lever valve, and we need 4 one-way flow control valve to control the flow and control the valve location. Then we must leave one air compressor to provide the compressed air, and we must need one PLC. The type of the PLC is OMO CP1H. Then let me introduce the signal flow diagram. From start to A1, we can see that the piston A will move from A0 to A1. It means A plus. From A1 to B1, it means that the piston B will move from B0 to B1. It means B plus. After that, from B1 to B0, that means the piston B will move from B1 to B0. It means B minus. After that, the piston A will move from A1 to A0. It means that A minus. Let me introduce this step. There have 5 steps. This first and fifth step is similar because piston A and B are in their initial position. The second step, we want accomplish A plus. That means we must push the piston A to move from A0 to A1. The third step, we want to accomplish B plus. It means that we must push the piston B to move from B0 to B1. The fourth step, we want to accomplish B minus. We must push the piston B to move from B1 to B0. The fifth step, we want to accomplish A minus. It thus means we must push the piston A to move from A1 to A0. Now, let's see the simulation on film and the electric control. After we push the push button, we can see that K1 will get power and Y1 will work. Means that the valve will move like this, and the piston A will move from A0 to A1. After piston A arrives A1, Y3 will work. That means that the valve will move like this. Then the piston B will move from B0 to B1. After piston B arrives B1, the Y4 will work. Then the valve will move like this. the past B will move from B1 to B0. The finally, the Y2 will work. Then the wolf will move like this. The past A will return its initial position. That work according to the singular flow diagram like this: A plus B plus B minus A minus. Then we can see the program on PLC. The button is connected to 0.00. The K1 is connected to 200.00. In the first program, Q1 is output. In this program, Y1, Y3, Y4, Y2 is output. And A0 is connected to 0.01. A1 is connected to 0.02. B0 is connected to 0.03. B1 is connected to 0.05. This is input. The program is that if we put the start button, K1 will get power, and Y1 will work. Then Y1 work. The end of the working, A1 will get power. Then Y3 will work. After that, Y4 will work. And the following, the B0 will get power. Y2 will work. The program on PLC is similar to the electric control. Now, let's see the physical connection of the PLC and the valve and the piston, like this picture. Now, let's see the simulation video. Push the button. Piston A will work, and the piston B will work. Then piston B will return. Finally, piston A will return. It can work according to the signal flow diagram. Now, let's see the physical video. Push the button. The piston A and piston B will work. Thank you for watching, and please give me some suggestions.